Students, let us learn something about Roman numerals. First tell me, have you seen somewhere these Roman numerals written in the school? Yes, when you enter in the class, it represents your class. We used to see them in the clock faces also. So let us learn about them. Roman numerals are a number system belonging to ancient Rome. It is made up of some letters of the English alphabet. The Roman used 7 letters to show the numbers. Like this. I represent 1, V represent 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500 and M 1000. So let us learn some rules to write these. If a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Means this is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. We can add them. 10 plus 10, 20. X represents 10 as it is written there. No symbol can be repeated more than 3 times. If you repeat any symbol more than 3 times, this is wrong. If a symbol with smaller value is written to the right of a symbol with greater value, then it is added. So, VI 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. So, smaller is written towards the right and the bigger one is towards the left. So, they are added. Now, if a smaller symbol is written to the left of the symbol with greater value, it is subtracted like this. The smaller symbol written towards the left, so it is subtracted. So, this is 5 minus 1, 4. Similarly, 50 minus 10 equals to 40. This represents 50. This is 10. So, 10 is smaller, which is written to the left. So, that why subtracted. Fifth, symbol VLD can never be repeated. Means you cannot write VVLL or DD. Cannot and can never subtract it from any other symbol. So VLD cannot be written towards the left side of any other symbol. The symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only, not from any other. The symbol X can be subtracted from L and C only. Now, wrong way of writing. Many students are writing the Roman numerals like this. Means putting horizontal line collectively. That is a wrong method of writing. So, correct way, write them separately. It means we cannot join the two symbols with the horizontal lines. They should be separate. Now, let us learn the method to remember. It's a idea only to remember that M is 1000, D is 500. Many students are confused by which alphabet we can represent the which number. So I'm giving you a methodology. That is M. My dear Chutki loves extra vanilla ice cream. M 1000, D 500, C 100, L 50, X 10 and V 5 and I 1. So first letter of each. And you remember this, my dear Chutki loves extra vanilla ice cream. So you can remember these values. Now let us learn how to convert a given Indian numeral into the Roman numeral. 79. So we can write 70 plus 9. And 70 is 50 plus 20 means L, X, X. And now 9 is always IX. So, total it become LXXIX. So, this is the way. 90. 90 is always 100 minus 10. And 100 you know it is C. So, C minus X. And when we subtract, the smaller should come towards the left side and the bigger left side. So, it becomes, XC it becomes XC. Now, next is 159. So 159 is 150 plus 9 and 150 is CL. We are adding them plus 9. 9 we already discussed IX. So totally we can write it as CLIX. 499. So 499 is 400 plus 90 plus 9. So before writing this you should know what is 400. 400 is 500 minus 100 and 500 is D minus C. So we can write it as CD. While subtracting we have to put the smaller towards the left side. So 400 becomes CD plus 90 is xc. Again it is subtracting from 100, plus 9 is ix. So together we can write it cd xc ix. Students, no need to copy this in your notebooks.